So guys, welcome back to the channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe, please make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. If you are not following me on Telegram, I will be putting a link to my Telegram channel in the comment section. So just check the comment section, by the way. You'll see a link to my Telegram channel. Follow me on Telegram. So I'll be putting out updates for the useful information, helpful information on the forex market and some signals. So if in case you are interested in it, follow me on Telegram and you get access to those information. Now let's take a look at what EURJPY will be giving us for the next day, which is Tuesday on the 2nd of May. With what I'm saying, I feel a drop or a correction is about to play out, but we just don't know. Probably if we don't get the drop tomorrow, then we should be able to get the drop on Wednesday. So basically, I personally will be very, very careful going long on EURJPY. As you can see that this is actually, it has actually peaked, it has actually there's a kind of like a massive movement upward. So I mean, when there's kind of like a massive movement upward like this, we should be very, very careful that anytime soon a drop will be playing out. But with what I'm seeing right now, we have to play with what price is actually showing us. So I would expect a little bit of a correction. Then the next movement will be an impulse move upward on EURJPY. So I will be expecting kind of like price to drop first before we continue to go long. So taking a buy at this current level will not be safe or will not be a good idea. Just kind of wait for like a pullback, not too much of a pullback. If you can get a little bit of a pullback, then the next movement should be a buy, an impulse move upward. I mean, if you take a look at our euro, by the way, euro is actually strong. Euro is actually going bullish, right? So I mean, it would make sense for us to actually go long on euro to JPY.